You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. If you crash at 2 p.m., if simple tasks feel heavy, if nothing feels exciting unless it's extreme, your dopamine system is dysregulated. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most modern men are living in a constant dopamine spike. Notifications, short videos, sugar, porn, caffeine. Your brain never returns to baseline. And when baseline drops, a motivation dies. In this video, you'll understand 3 things. First, what dopamine actually does and what it does not do. Second, how overstimulation rewires your brain and kills discipline. Third, a 24-hour dopamine reset protocol that restores clarity and measurable focus. Stay until the end, and you'll also understand why most dopamine detox advice online is biologically wrong. This is neuroscience, not motivation. Dopamine is not pleasure. Dopamine is not the pleasure molecule. It's the anticipation molecule. It rises before reward, not after. It drives pursuit. When dopamine spikes, your brain says, "This matters. Move." But here's the key. Dopamine works relative to baseline. If your baseline is low, normal life feels dull. If your baseline is stable, small actions feel meaningful. A 2024 Stanford review on reward circuitry showed that repeated high-intensity stimulation reduces dopamine receptor sensitivity over time. In simple terms, the more you spike it, the less responsive your brain becomes. That's called downregulation. And downregulation feels like brain fog, low motivation, emotional flatness, constant need for stimulation, not depression. Adaptation. The modern dopamine trap. Your brain evolved for scarcity. Today, stimulation is infinite. You wake up and immediately check your phone. Bright light, novelty, social validation, micro rewards. Your dopamine spikes before your feet hit the floor. Then coffee. Then fast information. Then multitasking. By noon, your system is exhausted. Not physically, neurochemically. Dopamine interacts with cortisol. Cortisol rises under stress. Chronic digital stimulation increases low-level stress. That elevates cortisol. High cortisol over time impairs dopamine signaling. Now you need more stimulation to feel normal. This is why silence feels uncomfortable. Why deep work feels painful. Why discipline feels impossible. It's not a character flaw. It's a nervous system problem. What a real dopamine detox is. A dopamine detox is not eliminating dopamine. That's impossible. It's removing artificial spikes. The goal is to restore receptor sensitivity. In one controlled study on behavioral addiction patterns, reducing high-intensity stimuli for 24 to 72 hours significantly improved reward responsiveness to low-intensity tasks. Translation. After a reset, boring things feel less boring. That's power. The 24-hour reset protocol. This is strict, but it works. Step 1. No high-stimulation inputs. No social media. No short-form video. No porn. No junk food. No gaming. No constant music. Step 2. Control dopamine. You can work. You can read. You can walk. You can train. But no stacking stimuli. No podcast while scrolling. No music while checking messages. Single task only. Step 3. Stabilize biology. Wake with natural light. Delay caffeine 90 minutes. Eat protein early. Hydrate with electrolytes. These regulate cortisol rhythm. Step 4. Physical output. Lift weights or do intense exercise. Heavy compound movements increase dopamine receptor density over time. Resistance training also increases testosterone, which indirectly supports dopaminergic tone. You're not just resetting your brain. You're recalibrating your system. What happens after 24 hours? At first, you feel restless, then bored, then uncomfortable. Good. That discomfort is baseline rising. By hour 18 to 24, something shifts. Your thoughts slow down. Your attention stabilizes. Simple tasks feel clear. You don't crave noise as much. the world feels less chaotic. That's receptor sensitivity returning. That's your nervous system stabilizing. That's what mental sharpness actually feels like. Here's the final truth. Discipline is not about willpower. It's about neurochemistry. If your dopamine system is hijacked, motivation will always feel forced. But when your baseline is stable, focus feels natural. Work feels clean. Effort feels controlled. Most people try to add productivity hacks. High performers remove interference. Optimize your biology. Everything else follows.